Good morning, guys. So we are going to learn about something new today. We're going to try to build models or pictures to help us add two-digit numbers. So when we have numbers like 46 that have a tens and a ones column, we want to try to start adding those, okay? So today for our solve and share, it says Leslie collects 36 rocks. Her brother collects 27 rocks. How many rocks do they have in common? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the number 36 and 27 down here, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to build it, okay? So I'm going to build it by making my lines for my tens and my dots for my ones. So 36, I would have 1, 2, 3 tens, and then I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, okay? And then 27, 1, 2 tens, right? And then 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what it's asking me, it's asking me, do I need to regroup? Regroup means make another 10. So if I look right here, I have 6 ones, but remember, I can only fill up to 10. So over here I have 6, and I'd have to take 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I would put these together to make another 10. So since I made another 10, I did have to regroup, okay? And then I have 3 left over. So since I regrouped over here in my tens, I had 3 tens and then 2 tens. I'm going to put a 1 because I made one more 10, okay? And then in my ones left, I had 1, 2, 3 ones left. And then now I have 1, 2, 3, and then 2 more, 4, 5, 6 tens now. And you can see it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this big group of 10 right here, 6. So 36 and 27 is 63. And since I had to make that other 10, we call that regroup, and we make a group and we have to put a 10 over in the tens column, okay? So we're going to watch a quick little video that's going to help show us that.
Let's add. 37 plus 19 equals. How do both work mats show the numbers that are added?
Okay, so let's look. Are you ready? Over here, I have the 3 tens from 37 and then the 1 10 from 19. Over here, I have the 7 ones from 37, then I have the 9 ones from 19.
Both mats show 37, or 3 tens and 7 ones. Both mats also show 19, or 1 10 and 9 ones. In the ones column of the place value mat, all the ones are combined. Add the ones. How many ones are there? 7 ones plus 9 ones equals 16 ones. There are 16 ones. You can't write 16 in the ones column. You need to regroup 16 ones as 1 10 and 6 ones. Where do you write the 6 that shows the 6 ones?
Select your answer.
Remember, it's 6 ones, so it needs to go in the ones.
Write the 6 in the ones column of the sum. Where do you write the 1 that shows the 1 regrouped 10?
Remember, our regrouped 10 is going to go on top.
Write the 1 that shows the regrouped 10 in the regrouping box at the top of the tens column. Write 6 ones and write 1 to show 1 10. Add the tens. 3 tens plus 1 10 equals 4 tens. 4 tens plus 1 10 equals 5 tens. Write 5 to show 5 tens. How much is 5 tens?
50.
5 tens is 50. What is the sum of 37 and 19?
56.
The sum is 56.
You can now add two-digit numbers using models.
All right, I know that's a little bit confusing, but we're going to practice it. And remember, this is a skill you're going to work on in 2nd grade. So we just want to make sure that you see it before so that you're ready for it, okay? So let's look. Down here, I have 29 plus 23. So if I wanted to make 29, I'd have 2 10s, and then I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones, okay? Then I need 23, so 2 10s and 1, 2, 3 ones, okay? So now I have 9 ones here. I'm going to grab one more one, and that's going to make a 10, okay? So I've got how many ones left over? Just 2, that's right. And then I've got my one regrouped group right here, right? And so now I have 2 plus 2, which you guys know is 4, one more. So I have 5 10s. And then it said, did we regroup? Yes, we had to make that 10, didn't we? Okay, let's try another one. 37 plus 22. So for 37, I have 1, 2, 3 10s, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. And then for 22, I have 2 10s and 1, 2 ones. So let's see. I have 7 right here, 7, 8, 9. Do I have to regroup? No. 7 plus 2 is 9. I can just put that together. And then I have 3 plus 2, which is going to be 5. So 59. So I didn't have to regroup, so I don't put that 10 up there. Let's try the last one. 44 plus 18. So 44. 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And then 18. 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Okay? So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to make this big group right here. So I did make another group of 10. So I'm going to put a 1 right there. So how many ones do I have left over? 1, 2. I have my one group right there. And then I have, what's 4 plus 1? 5. And then add one more. 6. So did I regroup? Yes, I did. And you can automatically tell you're going to have to regroup because look, I know 8 plus 4 is more than 10. So by looking, I know I'm going to have to. All right, we're going to practice some of these together, and then some of these are actually going to be your homework. Okay, so 27 plus 55. Do you think you're going to have to regroup? I think you might because 7 plus 5 is more than 10. So 27, so 2 10s, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I've got 7, then I have 8, 9, 10. So there's my group of 10. How many did I have left over? 1, 2. So I have 2 ones. I have the one group that I put together. And then what's 2 plus 5? 5, 6, 7, and then add one more. 8. Good job. All right, let's try another one. 19 plus 32. So 1 10 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then 32. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. Well, if this is 9, I need how many more to make a 10? Just 1, so I need to put that 1 over there. How many do I have left over? I just have 1 left over. I have that 1 10 that I put together, and then I have 3 plus 1, which is 4, and then add one more, 5. So 5 10s and 1 1, so 51. Good job. All right, I'm going to make room to fill in another one for us, okay? 43 plus 17. So if I want to make 43, 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and then 1, 2, 3 ones. And then 17, 1 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one big 10. So how many ones did I have left over? 0. I don't have any ones left over because I made that 1 10, so I put my 1 up there. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and then add 1 more. 6. Very good. All right. You guys are actually going to keep 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 as homework. So you're going to work on those, okay? Because we're going to do the other problems. So it says draw the second add-in. My first add-in was 22, and then my sum was 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So I had to add 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So it's just kind of showing you the difference. Okay, we are not going to do 14 or 15 and 17, but we are going to try 16 and 18. So Greg counts 32 buttons. Then he counts 30 more. How many buttons he has in all? So if I look at this, I know what 2 and 0 is. 2 plus 0 is 2. I can do that so fast. I know it's not going to make a 10. What's 3 plus 3? 6. So 6 tens and 2 ones is 62. See, that one was super quick because we didn't have to regroup. Okay, Maria has 33 pennies. She gives her mom, her mom gives her 19 pennies and 7 nickels. How many pennies does Maria have? This is trying to trick you. She has 33 pennies, so I had 1, 2, 3 tens, 1, 2, 3 ones. Then look, she gives you 19 pennies and 7 nickels. We don't need to know anything about the nickels, so we're just going to ignore that number because it says how many pennies does she have. They added an extra number in there to make sure that you're paying attention. So I have to add 19 pennies to that. So 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So over here, I know I have more than 10 because I have 9, and I know 9 and just 1 more makes 10. So how many ones did I have left over? 2. Very good. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and then add that extra 10, 5 tens. So she has to have D, 52. All right, so for your homework, you're just going to go back and do 7 through 13 right here, okay? All right, you guys have done an awesome job. Thank you.